Hello, everyone.
Welcome to Doc Pro.
I am Jack.
And I am Emma. Today you will learn 100 natural American English sentences that native speakers use every day.
Stay until the end because these simple phrases will instantly make your English sound more natural.
Have you ever studied English for years but still feel nervous when speaking?
The problem is not your grammar.
The problem is that you are using textbook English instead of real American English.
In the next few minutes, you will learn natural sentences that Americans actually say every day.
Listen carefully.
Repeat after me.
Let's begin.
Instead of saying hello.
You can say hey.
Instead of saying how are you.
You can say how's it going?
I'm doing great.
Nice to see you.
Long time no see.
What's up?
Not much.
Good to see you again.
Take care.
See you later.
Have a great day.
No problem.
You're welcome.
Sounds good.
That works for me.
I agree.
I don't think so.
Maybe later.
Let's do it.
I'm ready.
Give me a second.
Hold on.
Just a minute.
I'm on my way.
I'll be right back.
Don't worry.
It's okay.
No worries.
That's awesome.
That's amazing.
Good job.
Well done.
You got this.
Keep going.
I believe in you.
I'm proud of you.
That makes sense.
I get it.
I understand.
Could you repeat that?
Can you speak more slowly?
What do you mean?
How do you say this in English?
Can you help me?
I appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
You're the best.
I'm just kidding.
Really?
Are you serious?
That's funny.
I can't believe it.
What happened?
Everything is fine.
I'm tired.
I'm hungry.
I'm thirsty.
Let's eat.
Let's go.
Come with me.
Follow me.
Be careful.
Watch out.
Take your time.
Hurry up.
Don't be late.
I'm excited.
I'm a little nervous.
I'm happy.
I'm sad.
I'm surprised.
I miss you.
I love this.
I don't like it.
It depends.
We'll see.
That's enough.
It's up to you.
Whatever you think.
Absolutely.
Of course.
Definitely.
Exactly.
You're right.
I hope so.
I don't mind.
Go ahead.
Feel free.
Take it easy.
Have fun.
Good luck.
Congratulations.
Welcome back.
Sleep well.
Drive safely.
See you tomorrow.
Let's practice again.
Now it's your turn.
Pause this video and repeat every sentence out loud.
The more you repeat these natural American English phrases,
The more confident you will become.
remember,
Fluency is built through daily practice.
if you enjoyed this lesson,
Like this video.
subscribe to Doc Pro.
And keep practicing English with us every single day.
See you in the next lesson.